Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Chris in Florida on this RCI-2995DXCF. Chris, this is set up to run with the amplifier that you have. We set it exactly to the output you requested. Here is your digital echo right here. Alright, we're going to go ahead and show you with the RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. I set it at 2 watts, that way it's plenty low for you to have full adjustability. 40 all the way up. And here's your average power swing. Hello, 78 bird. Hello, 250 watt slug and peak. Hello, 150 watts exactly. Let me roll it down to 2. Hello, hello, 150, about 155. All right, man, we're gonna get it out to you, bud. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise. Get wise and get truck rise today.